Hello guys, welcome back with the last puzzle in not today's newspaper, no, in the yesterday's newspaper. Yesterday's newspaper is on Saturday, September the 11th, 2021, 9/11. Yes, special day today. Not today. Today is 12 because it's Sunday. Yes, yesterday was a special day. All right. So today on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I will continue with the puzzles in the Saturday edition. And the last puzzle we have here is a puzzle with 1 star, number 3384. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 printed digits. Well, correct me if I'm wrong. So the first question to you. So let's get started. First question to you. Can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Can we see here the single box? Yes. I see here the single box. The single box is the 1. More single boxes? No. Dual box. Oh, here we have another single box. Single box, always a 1. Dual box, I see here dual box. Dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1. We have a 1 here. So this box should be a 1. And that box should be a 2. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then. Here, triple box. The 3 is already filled in. So those 2 boxes are left for the numbers 1 or the 2. More triple boxes? No. Quadra boxes. Well, I see here the quadra box. The 1 and the 3 are filled in, so 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4, but I do not know in which order. Alright. More quadra boxes? No. Then the following stage or strategy is to recognize some shapes. For example, the L shape or the L figure, construction, structure, whatever, you name it. And yesterday I've made a mistake with drawing the L shape. Well, if you see the L shape, this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box and not here. Look, yesterday I made a mistake with drawing, and look, this is not correct. Should be here. Okay. Should be there here. All right. Anyway, the L shape. We have here the L shape. Are there any L shapes in this puzzle? Are there more L shapes? Here, another one upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. All right. More L shapes. L figure. No. Then the following shape is this shape. Alright. Remember that this shape, this box has always the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. More of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here another one. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright. More of this kind of shape here. Yeah, but it's already drawn. Yes. Okay. Upside down. So those are the shapes in this puzzle that you need to recognize. Only 2. But there are more. But in this puzzle, we have 2 that you need to recognize. And then it's very simple or easy. to fill the numbers. So the next stage, next step is let's get starting filling the numbers. All right. Well, these two boxes cannot be a 2. So one box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright, these two boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. 1, 2. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. Okay, this box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. I'm missing the 2 also here. Alright. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5, cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those. 2 and 4. Alright. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 here. If I place the 1 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1, but we already have a 1 here. So it's not a solution to place the 1 here. The 1 should be there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. Well, I cannot place the 4 here. We have a double 4 there. So the 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Alright. 2 numbers left. For the numbers 3 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4 and this box should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. This box can be a 4, that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can it be 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 3. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. Alright. Let me see. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Let me continue with this box. These 3 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I fill a 2 here, I cannot place any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. This box can also not be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. Alright. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, because we have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well. I have a double 2 here. I've missed this 2. I overlooked this 2. So this 2 cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Alright. So 4 or 5. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Let me see. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. 1, 2. Well, I'm stuck, I believe. 2, 3, 4 or 5. 3, 4 or 5. I am stuck. This box cannot be a 5. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 5. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. If I place a 5 here, that box cannot be a 5. So the 5 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 5. This box is also connected, 2 or a 5. So the other 2 boxes are the numbers 3 and 1. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, no 1 goes there. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 2 or a 5. We have a 2 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 and a 5, we have a pair, 2 and a 5. The other pair should be the 1 and the 3. 1 and 3. Okay. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be a 5. Okay, so I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 1, because it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be 4, cannot be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 and a 1, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And the last 2 numbers, no, 3 numbers. 3, 5, and a 4. Yeah, 3, 5, and a 4. Well, here could be a 4, and there could be a 4. I'm stuck. 3, 4, 3, 5. Now we have a 3 here. So this box can't be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And 2 numbers left, the 5 and a 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright, finish in 40 minutes. Great. Definitely 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes, and I'm very well pleased with the time, and I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudokus, for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the quintuplets, the killer Sudokus, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist, people. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Sunday. We'll meet again tomorrow on Monday. Until then, bye bye for now.